Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Easter is right around the corner and I want to share my vintage Easter egg candy dish DIY with you today. Please subscribe and click the notification bell for more upcoming videos. Here are the materials you will need for this project. We will begin with one of Dollar Tree's oval-shaped cylinder vases. I will first cut to size a piece of this pretty lace-embellished burlap to fit the belly of the vase and adhere it with hot glue. Now that the ribbon has been adhered to the vase, I will create an embellishment of clustered pearls using the cardboard of a toilet paper roll as its foundation. The pearls I'm using are the 10 and 12 millimeters. The center of the cluster is one 12 millimeter pearl, and the surrounding pearls are all 10 millimeters. This pearl cluster turned out quite pretty. Now it's time to cut it out and set it aside until needed. With the burlap ribbon, I will create a simple bow with hot glue. Once completed, I will adhere it to the seam of the ribbon on the vase. Now it's time to add the clustered pearls to the center of the bow as a beautiful embellishment. To further cover up the seam, I will use the larger 14mm pearl above and below the pearl cluster, and I think it worked perfectly and turned out beautiful. The ribbon is wired, allowing me to easily adjust and puff the bow as I like it. I will now accent the bottom of the vase with Dollar Tree's lace ribbon, cutting it to size and adhering with hot glue. Our vintage Easter egg candy dish now needs a top. I'm using one of the 4 finger bowls or condiment bowls from Dollar Tree. I will accent the rim of the bowl with the lace ribbon as I had done to the bottom of the vase. It's now time to add my decorative piece on top of the bowl with the iridescent ring holder I spray painted with Rustoleum hammered brown. I will adhere it with hot glue. Guys, I think the pineapple ring holder gives this a beautiful touch to my vintage theme for the Easter egg candy dish. Tell me what you think in the comments below. This is it. Quick, easy, and beautiful. I made 2 of them. My completed look. I hope you enjoyed this DIY. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and share. Subscribe and click the notification bell for more upcoming videos. God bless, and I'll see you in the next one.